Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I am going to try these brush. They are very affordable at Dollarama and it's a 7 pieces good vibes pro eyeshadow set. So these are the brushes that I'm going to try out on my eyes today, and you can see how beautiful they look. So for the people in Canada, you guys know about Dollarama. We don't have Dollarama in America. We just have other dollar store. So I saw these and I was curious about them. So this is it, you guys. So I already primed my eyes and I'm gonna use one of my old eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place today. So if you want to see, my friend, continue watching. So these are the 7 pieces of brush, you guys, and they feel really nice. So I am going to try out this one first. As I said, I already primed my eyes, so I am going to use one of my old eyeshadow palette, the Festival, with it. So I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna use this really nice brownish color and see how these brushes blend, because they feel nice. They feel nice, you guys. So I am going to use this one, which is a blending brush, and I'm going to blend the product on my eyes. I like these. They are very light, but they feel really nice. I am going to go into another color here. This one here, which is an orange shade, and I'm using the same brush that I used before, and I am going to apply it to my eyes. Did I say orange? I don't know. It looked like orange, and it also looked like red, but it was like a bright orange color. So guys, I have finished my eyeshadow look with this eyeshadow brush. They are really nice brush. You can beat the price, $5, my friend. They blend really good. So the only one that I had a problem with was this one, and it was a bit on the stiff side. You guys, you can see it's very stiff, but I do use it at the outer corner of my crease here. I haven't used this one or this one. I haven't used these two, but I used the blending brush, the crease brush, and the eyeshadow brush. I use 5 of them, which is really nice, you guys. They blend really good. My eyeshadow didn't really fall out when I was using them, and as I said, $5. You can beat that offer, my friend, and they are. So this is it, you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the girl channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys as always.